Are you dreaming of transforming your home into a space that reflects your unique style? Or maybe you're looking to tackle those long-awaited home improvement projects. Whatever your vision may be, we have the solution for you. A personal loan for home renovation. Whether it's a modern kitchen, luxurious bathrooms, or a fresh coat of paint, your home deserves the makeover of your dreams. With a personal loan, you can revitalize your living space and create an ambience that reflects your style and taste. With the financial backing of a personal loan, you can purchase high-quality materials, hire skilled contractors, or take the DIY route. Watch as your home undergoes a remarkable transformation. Applying for a personal loan for home renovation is quick and convenient. Explore a range of loan options from trusted lenders online. Compare interest rates, repayment terms, and choose the one that suits your financial goals. Once you've selected the ideal lender, complete a simple online application form. Provide necessary details about your income, employment, and the loan amount required for your home renovation project. Lenders will carefully review your application and approve your loan application if you satisfy their eligibility requirements. The loan amount will be disbursed directly into your account, empowering you to initiate your home renovation project. So, why wait any longer? Kickstart your home improvement project today with a personal loan with reputed lenders like SMFG India Credit. Turn your dreams into reality and create a space that you will be proud to call home. To apply for a personal loan, click on the link in description. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.